Well, I think this potato plant is dead enough. I'm going to go see what's inside the pot. I'm going to take it over to where I have my sifted compost and screen it through there, and this way I don't lose any of the dirt because it's still good. I don't have to put it in the compost pile. And let's see what kind of potatoes we have. Okay, I'm over to where I sift my compost. This is the one that had the baby praying mantis on it, and I've looked really hard and I don't see a little baby praying mantis. So let's see how we can do with a one-handed dump. Potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Potatoes, potatoes. Can't get it to dump one-handed. Oh, there we go. Look, there's actually potatoes. And earthworms. I think these are pretty much the same as what was in there when I put it from the one pot to the other pot. I got 4. And oh, these itsy bitsies. Itsy bitsy bitsy bitsies. There's the seed potato. Wonder if I can save these for next year. Save these for the next crop. Look at all my earthworms. Look at all these tinies that could have been potatoes if the mother didn't die. Well, I know for sure from now on, when you start potatoes, start them in the pots you're going to leave them in. Ooh, some of these are actually getting mushy. But I have earthworms. Lots and lots of earthworms. Nobody else. I got 4. 4's good. It's a meal. A little potato salad. Ooh, red potatoes. I do love red potatoes. I'm happy. It was an experiment. I learned. Do not start them in one pot and move them to another. Oh, I wonder if I should go get that other pot. I'm going to go get that other pot. Okay, pot number 2. It was bigger than the other pot. It's heavy. And forget the radishes. They're not going to make it. Ginger? Where'd you go? Ginger! Ginger! Ginger? Oh, you're too busy throwing dirt at me. You want those? No. Okay. Let's dump this one out. Well, it had 3 stalks come up. Oh, one-handed again. Turning them out. And other than a lot of earthworms, you know, I don't see any potatoes. And look at that. Oh, there's one. There's another. Seed potato is gone. So if you're going to start potatoes, I say you definitely have to start them where you're going to grow them. Growing earthworms, though. Yep, that's it. Got 4 usable potatoes out of the smaller pot. 6. Those are okay, but these aren't worth anything. I think they disappear when you try to boil them. Well, at least that's 10 more potatoes than what I started with. And those potatoes had sprouted anyway, so it wasn't like I was going to use them. And I do like red potatoes. Potato harvest for 2017. Well, it's from 3 different potatoes. And this is all I've got. Maybe a couple of 3 meals. Ooh, fried buttered potatoes. That sounds good. Found one more while raking the compost through. Whoopee! That's about the size of a marble. I'll go play marbles with it.